Hello, welcome to Accounting Yard YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Today we'll be covering a prepayment schedule. We will not be creating it. We'll just be walking through a template that has been created by Accounting Yard. Right now, we all know that prepayment is is a is a balance in your balance sheet, right? Specifically, it's an asset. It can come in two forms. It can be a current asset and a non-current asset, depending on how long the prepayment is meant for. Now, key things about prepayment are you have an opening balance, you have additions in the period, you have the amortization for the period, and you have a closing balance. So basically, you're meant to keep track of all additions into it, like every balance sheet balance, whereby you try to have a schedule that backs it. So now this is a typical prepayment schedule where you have a start date, end date, then the GL code where the expense is being passed into. Now we've created a simple template that can derive the number of years the payment will last, the number of months, and also the number of months left. Right? So for example, we're in June of 2019 already. This is meant to last for 12 months. It means that you have 6 months left. So like that we structured it. And based on that, it gives me, I would have inserted my addition to compute what my amortization should be for that month, what my year-to-date amortization is, then utilize year-to-date, that's since its existence up to date, then my closing balance, right? So this balance here should finally agree with whatever I have in my balance sheet or in the geoda where my prepayment is housed. Now this is basically a computation of how much amortization should go per month. So how does this work? If I come here, let's say I pay for a house rent, and that house rent is meant to start from July 2019 and end, for the sake of example, is meant to end in June of 2023, right? There's in the same GL code and it's an addition and it's worth 45 million 123 123, right? So automatically, see, because of the month of June, you see that there's no amortization here. But if I come here, right, and I change it to July, and I come here, you see it has computed how much amortization. It has given me a year to date. If I go to December, right, it should have computed amortization for like 6 months. So the value you get here, if you divide it by 6, you find out that it's amortization for 6 months, right? And this is my closing balance there. Now, if you go to, for example, 1 year 2020, and we are in, let's say, for example, August, right? You find out that it has showed you how much amortization should have come in, and this is year to date. That means from inception all to today's date, how much amortization should come in, and this is the balance. And that's how it works. If you look at other ones, right, by August of 2020, all the ones that should have ended based on this schedule, you see that they don't have any closing balance. See, it's only this one that exceeds goes to 2023 and still has a balance. So this schedule works perfectly for your typical amortization of your prepayment, and you should have no issues, right? If you like what you've seen, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't forget, share with friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.